I would like to take the opportunity to address you in the beginning of each semester to let you know of some of the changes we have made and also to tell you about our expectations from you, which as usual will always be sky high. First, I would like to wish you a very happy Makar Sankranti. What is the relevance of Makar Sankranti? दही चूड़ा खाते वो तो मुझे पता है. हाँ चलिए. Well, I just checked in Wikipedia today. It is the Harvest Festival, and it is marks the beginning of spring in India. So spring means flowers. Flowers means thing of beauty, and I hope this day will herald a semester of happiness, prosperity, and obviously very good placement for our graduating class. Again, I'll now come to some of the pointed issues. Now, first, one good news is that we have decided to reduce the attendance requirement for Amber students from 90 to 85%. Please note, 85 is still high. Okay. So I would request you, a number of students come to me that they have to go to this festival and that festival. You have to manage that within your 15%. And obviously, if some students are sick, somebody was down with chicken pox, we will consider those cases sympathetically. So, and thank you very much for attending classes in hordes. I walk around 8 a.m. You see me walking, and it's a pleasant sight to see the students, large number of students rushing to their classes. But उसमें एक कमी है, मैं 8-10 में भी देखता हूँ कि स्टूडेंट क्लास जा रहे हैं. तो अगला एफर्ट होगा कि by 8 o'clock the road should be empty. नहीं क्यों? अच्छा, let's make a deal. Forthright से करवाते हैं graduating class से, क्योंकि they have to start working from next semester. Okay, last semester was very stormy. We had a number of disciplinary issues, and we should look forward. A number of disciplinary actions were imposed, ranging up to 2 semesters of expulsion, etc. And we have reduced most of them last semester, thinking that students should get a chance. Now, my request is, इस semester मत कीजिए ये सब चीज. इस बार 3 things: alcohol, drugs, and violence will not be tolerated. Despite everything, a few days back, there was a drunk student who ended up in a police station. यार ऐसा मत करना, please. And 2 things. I hope you understand the meaning of suspended sentence. Suspended sentence, if you get a suspended sentence of 1 semester expulsion, it means the moment the next indiscipline is created, you are out for 1 semester. And similarly, disciplinary students should also be very careful. And we also, you may not know it, but my office also keeps a record of all the students who come after 10 on weekdays, come inside the campus after 10 and after 10:30. मेरे ऑफिस में रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन होता है. कैंपस में एंजॉय करने का इतना है. It is, I'll tell you the example of Kanpur. When Kanpur started, it was in the middle of nowhere. Station से they would come to a place called Rawatpur, and Kanpur was the campus was about 6-7 kilometers. And sometimes they had to walk. There was nothing in between. And actually, that proved a boon in disguise and holds for Dhanbad also because of its locational disadvantage. For the IITs situated in, let's say, Delhi, Mumbai, Madras, they were in the middle of a metropolitan city. So students had a lot to do outside. Kanpur में कुछ नहीं था. So they developed everything. The student government system, superb system. The whole system of cultural programs, sports, and in those days, during our time, there was no TV, no internet, so we used to have these movie shows in one of our lecture halls. There were 4 shows of every movie, so it was a great thing. So my thing here is you have to convert your locational disadvantage into making this campus more vibrant. यहाँ तो बहुत लोगों का है जैसे ग्रेजुएटिंग स्टूडेंट्स खुश भी दारू, खुशी में भी दारू और गम में भी दारू. ये this is something that has to stop. This is something that has to be stopped. Then coming to some of our achievements, we finished 9th in the Inter IIT, and one of our students, Arti Kumari, was the best female athlete. I think from our side, we would like to thank them for keeping the IIT ISM flag flying high. And one thing that has made a lot of difference, I have been told, is the presence of coaches. The coaches have worked extremely hard. And we will be suitably rewarding all the winners. For example, Aarti was given, apart from a track shoe and other things she'll get, she got a rupees 3,000 per month allowance for a special diet. I'm sure you would love that, wouldn't you? To escape mess food. So you have to work a little harder. Now, we are also hoping to improve on our ranking. So the idea is to continue holding mini camps for people interested in sports and participating in Inter IIT throughout the year, and we will provide special privileges. We are also in the process of improving the sporting facilities, which I must say is woefully inadequate. So if you go to the sports plaza, you see I went to play tennis one day, and that was one day too much. The courts are in a bad shape, so we will lay one proper hard tennis court. We will then have 2 more volleyball courts. Then we'll relay the surface of the existing basketball, volleyball court, improve the lower and upper ground. One of the problems is lighting there, leveling the ground, everything shall be done. And from now on, you will not get the lower ground or upper ground for any activities or srijan. It will be used only for sports. Now you see a mass of land between this thing, SAC and Amber. That will be used for your major events. And hopefully next year, depending on the funds, we expect to have an open air theatre and a food plaza also around it. Now, Srijan is coming. I hear there is a lot of excitement during Srijan, and part of the reason I understand. Now, my request is it should be entertaining. And one thing I've seen in all these festivals, आप समय देते हैं 7-8 बजे. First you give these times which are not practical. In Concerto, somebody said a program will start at 7 a.m. Come on, be real. It can never happen at 7 a.m. So my request is it should be entertaining. Try to make it punctual, because remember, this is your journey. Your learning starts at IIT ISM Dhanbad. The other thing that I used to hear when I was in Kanpur, whatever Antaragni used to be a festival, लोगों की मोटरसाइकिलें चलनी लगती थी after the festival. So my request is, nothing to it. My request is, please learn to manage your money properly. And this time we have put in checks, minimal cash transactions. Everything will either be through check or would be online. We had also allotted whatever the culture and hobby clubs wanted the money. We had allotted them funds. But as I hear, all the purchases have still not been made. Please do so, because in government, if you don't make the purchases by March 31st, the money just disappears. So I request all of you, to all the club coordinators, to ensure that all the purchases, music club, dramatics club, whatever, they should complete their purchases by mid-February. Why did I have my speech here in the plaza? First, lower ground is not a good place. Second, we want to make this the hub of activity. I was hoping hope the GSEC Cultural is listening to me. See, when you have these, when you send teams to different festivals, the students who go there should be selected on merit. That was one of my requests as an inter IIT. So I'm still waiting for it. Why can't we have something like an Indian Idol competition to get to identify good singers? Why can't we have something like Dance India Dance here? Why can't we have a dumb charade competition? Why can't we have a quiz competition here? So, and the weather is going to be very nice till mid-March, so we should make use of this place during that time. Finally, third, this feedback email that I started has been of great use, and I have tried to personally answer the queries of or address the concerns of many students. Some was in my hand, some was in not. So I received some very good information and very good ideas. For example, in MTech we have a provision that if your CGPA goes below 7, your scholarship stops. So somebody gave me a great idea. So sir, let's say first semester my GPA is less than 7 and my scholarship stops. So next semester, if I improve my performance, I should get the law scholarship. And the heads group has approved that. So keep on giving me ideas. You guys are fresh. You have great ideas. Please communicate them to me. The other important thing I came to know was use of unfair means during online placement exams. This is an input I had from the feedback vigilance system, and I have not heard any complaint as yet, so I hope it is working. And by the way, we take unfair means very seriously. Last semester, some students, the final year students, failed in a class because they had a chit in their provision, or किसी ने अपने पैर में भी लिखा हुआ था. It's very interesting when you see some of the, but unfortunate, some of the techniques that are used. Now, other thing I get is about the seating plan. So the seating plan can be a problem. Somebody is a good student because of his or her serial number, they are forced to sit at the back of the class. The reason for that was taking attendance was becoming very painful. So the whole idea is once you have seat numbers, then a teaching assistant would come, TA would come, just note down the vacant seat numbers and your attendance is done. So that was the entire idea. And what we will do is we'll flip the class after the mid-semester exam. And if some students have problems, they can mutually exchange seats and inform the instructor so the seat numbers can be changed. So these are some problems which can be taken care of. Now, one issue I got was mess food constant. Mess food का हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Mess food is something that you have to take care of in the hostel. You have to depute, turn by turn. Students have to take responsibility. One day one student goes and sees that चावल जो निकाल रहे हैं उसको चुन रहे हैं कि नहीं. They are supposed to use certain brands of rice, certain brands of dal, certain brands of oil. वो मैं इंश्योर नहीं कर सकता, वो आप लोग को करना पड़ेगा. So I always keep on saying the quality of mess food is in your hand, but लड़ाई वड़ाई मत कीजिए. Have a good checking system so that you are in control of every aspect of preparing food in the mess. The one of the problems in IITs are that because of the academic load, there are some students who cannot cope with the academic load and hence go into depression. There are some students who do not care about the academic load. So, what we are doing is from hopefully from next week, a counseling center is opening in the old lecture hall complex. So we'll have two counselors and one chief counselor there who will be visiting twice or thrice a week. And my request is, you have to play the role of an intelligence agent for us. Because there are a number of people who have these problems, they will never come forward. So it is your responsibility as a friend to first counsel them and then let us know. And everything will be done confidentially. So this may not seem obvious to you, but it is a major source of problem. We don't want to lose even a single life. And from next semester onwards, the SCG will be replaced by a proper student counseling service. Okay, manned by second yearites, third yearites, and fourth yearites. So we have a system where students who need help will get help all the year round. For example, here when new students come, then you have a student mentor, you have a faculty mentor, etc. But after a while, it just simply withers away. So we want this system of mentoring and helping out students who need help to go round the year. So hence, and by the way, in Kanpur, this used to be a very favored choice of students because the certificates would carry a lot of value, and we had actually had an interview system to select student counselors. Now, as you know, the student Gymkhana has been approved by the Senate, and we will be having elections in mid-March. Now you will have a proper forum. ये एक आदमी का व्यू नहीं होगा, collective view होगा. You will have a proper forum to represent your views, and you will get members, and you will be able to nominate students, the student senate, on all major academic and administrative bodies. You can make your presence felt. I know in the academic senate there are about 80-90 professors and 2 or 3 students. You might think you are outnumbered, and also, but it is important to make your point. And if you argue persuasively, most of us are reasonable people, we would listen to you. But there is one downside. आजकल when you read papers, तो आप क्या देखते हैं? Everybody's thinking is my way or the highway. Even if Supreme Court says कि ये होना है साबरीमाला में, आप देख रहे हैं लोग मानने को तैयार नहीं है. Now you will have this situation in a Senate when there is an argument, and obviously different people have different views. You will have to learn to respect other students' opinion. It is not very easy, especially when you are very passionate about your view. But ये आपको सीखना पड़ेगा, और ये भी सीखना पड़ेगा यदि वोटिंग में आप let's say 30 member Senate आप 16-14 से हारे, वो भी आपको एक्सेप्ट करना सीखना पड़ेगा. It is not very easy, but that is what maturity is all about. Now, elections में तो आप देखते हैं क्या होता है. I'm sure you must be reading in newspapers. You must be reading about university elections. The difference between our election and university election is वहाँ वो लोग नेता बनना चाहते हैं. We want to make you leaders. There is a difference between neta and leaders. So please understand that. So we want elections have to be a healthy competition, and we do not want anybody to canvass for votes on the basis of religion. Region तो यहाँ थोड़ा prevalent है word. Regionalism, religion, caste, creed. Please try and keep all that out. और यदि आप जिमखाना का, and I forgot, what we will do is all the candidates who are standing, यहाँ पर इलेक्शन के पहले we'll have a soap box where they will tell you why they want to represent you and you should be asking questions. So we will have a regular soap box and I will request the Chief Election Officer to organize those soap boxes. अच्छा, आपको freedom दिया है, but if you look at the Gymkhana Constitution, there are enough checks and balances. Okay, अच्छे चीज के लिए तो पूरा freedom है, but suppose somebody wants to act out of malice. See, कई बार क्या होता है, we are human beings. Suppose I lose an argument, then I say, रुकते हैं, जब मेरा मौका आएगा तो I'll settle my scores. So what we have done is there is enough provision in the constitution to ensure that everything happens in a pleasant and responsible way. What I mean to say is, from next semester onwards, you will get a lot of freedom to come together, debate, put your views out. But please enjoy your freedom with responsibility. Okay. Academics, के बारे couple of things. I hear different stories about the reading room in the library. A lot of things happen there, I hear. Some I cannot mention. In fact, inside the library, we had a TV footage of you can understand what. So the initial, there was a lot of, some people were very angry. So the initial thing was suspend the student for 2 semesters, but they were let off with a warning. So, it's an open system, so just stay within your limits. और ये भी सुनते हैं हमारे कलीग है, देखें कि आदमी कमरे में बैठ के वहाँ सिनेमा देख रहे हैं. Space is limited. That is for studying. I know you go there because you get free internet. The internet is not very good in your hostels. But what happens by end of March, Jio has laid out its optical fiber network. At least in the director's house, the Jio signal is very good. So we have also tendered for a tower here in the campus. So that tower will be here. The Jio network should be operational. They have told us from April 1st. And we have also received funding for strengthening our optical fiber network. And by the way, वो जो घोस्ट बिल्डिंग है ना सफायर के सामने, उसका पैसा आ गया. So hopefully work will start on it soon. Now the next major changes we are doing next semester is the grading system is going to change from next semester. So what we will have is, we will have a proper relative grading system. That is still not, we will debate it in the Senate and hopefully it will be implemented. But what we have done is, the grading system here is such that you have people from different programs studying the same course. So one student from, let's say, there are 2 branches in electrical engineering. So one from power electronics and from one, both of them studying, 2 students with the same marks get different grades. वो अगले semester से नहीं होगा. So grading will be done based on course number. Doesn't mean whether you come from electrical, whether you are from mechanical, etc. So this is the universal grading system. The other thing is, I also need your feedback. Attendance will be uploaded every week. So if it is not, please let me know. I will just talk to the instructor. And then we will have assignments, solution of assignments, exam solutions, etc. will also be, there's a dedicated website which has come up. I think I've sent you the link. So all those will be put up on those dedicated website. If it has not come, I'll resend that soon. Now the other change we're making for the final graduating classes, no dues used to be a terrible system. The students would be made to run from one section to the other to get the no dues stamp. Now from this semester you don't have to run. So any section, that information to DSW. If no information comes from the library or any other section, means you have no use. तब आपको कब कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, by and large. So hopefully that should help you. Now, one thing I have been agonizing for a while, and is how do we integrate online courses in our curriculum? And this is something where we need your help. We have set up a committee. See, you have very nice online platforms like Coursera, run by Harvard and MIT. You have EDX run by Stanford. You have our own NPTEL. You have our own Swayam. So the question is, you're always free to learn on your own. And if you want the certificate, you have to pay some fees of the order of 3,000-4,000 rupees. So we are thinking of ways how we can integrate it. There are copyright issues. I can't, without paying them, I can't broadcast their lectures in the hall. So one of the ideas was that in some areas where we have gaps, where we don't have expertise, let's say artificial intelligence, for example, what we can have is, we can have students look at the lectures, then we will have our tutorials here. It would be a flipped classroom model. The students would study, come here, discuss in the tutorials, and then we will hold our exam. So this is one model. So we have to see how it works, but I would request you that please use these mediums as reference material. Don't be just limited to what is being taught in the class. There is a lot of excitement all around, and you have to be up with it. Now, the other thing that we started was English. As you know, communication has to be good. So we started a communication class in the evening. In one batch, it started off with 300 students, and by the end, you know how many did we have? Thus. Now, English communication in all forms is good, but English is required because when you face interviews, etc., when you go and work, you deal with higher management people, they expect you to be good communicators in English. तो एक thought आ रहा है which we might implement. यदि इसको placement से जोड़ देंगे तो सब करेंगे. So the whole idea is we will identify some. This is an idea right now. I would love to have your feedback. That we will identify some courses, 2 or 3 courses. You have to pass that course before you can. You have to pass that course, get a certificate before you can enroll for placement. Now, how does the system sound?
Very bad, not good.
Huh? Why?
लोड कम है.
क्या है? कंपनी का उसमें मैं आ रहा हूँ अभी. I am coming to that point. Okay. दूसरा चीज है हॉस्टल्स. यार हॉस्टल में तो कुछ होता नहीं है. It should be the hub of cultural and sports activities during the semester. वहाँ आप लोग कुछ कीजिए प्लीज. और दूसरा जो इस सेमेस्टर से होने वाला है, आई हैव हर्ड दैट अब देखेंगे भी कई स्टूडेंट्स जब निकलते हैं कमरे से तो बल्ब का होल्डर टूटा हुआ है, वो नेट वाला कनेक्शन का सॉकेट टूटा हुआ है और सब. अब से क्या होगा आफ्टर यू लीव, अभी एक नोटिस आएगा सबका क्या कॉस्ट होगा रिपेयर का. तो आपके रूम में यदि कुछ टूटा तो आपके नो ड्यूज में जुड़ जाएगा. So please respect your hostels. Please respect your rooms. Please respect your hostel. Now, just 5 more minutes. You know the placement scenario. I like the way the placement data is presented. That's why you have to be very, very wary of statistics. When we get the placement data, I saw it for the first time. It says 85%. You know, 85% of all eligible students. And eligible students are about 60% of the overall class. 60-70. तो क्या होता है placement हमारा? Less than 60%. Now the question is how do we improve it? देखिए, I am not the PM of the country कि किसी को बोल दे आ जाओ वो आएगा नहीं आएगा. People come primarily because of the reputation of your institute. आज IIT बॉम्बे में क्यों ज्यादा लोग आ रहे हैं? Number one, QS ranking बहुत अच्छा है. Number two, obviously they have their locational advantage. Okay. So, how would you make people notice you? आपने कभी सोचा है? एक तो है कि जिस इंटेंसिटी से लोग सृजन ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, कॉन्सर्ट ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, उसी इंटेंसिटी से आपको हम लोग को हेल्प करना पड़ेगा प्लेसमेंट में. यहाँ फंड रेजिंग में कितना जबरदस्त होता है, दे जस्ट गो एनीवेयर टू गेट फंड्स. यू हैव टू हेल्प अस इन द सेम वे फॉर गेटिंग कंपनीज हियर. आप कोई जान पहचान है आपका तो आप बात कीजिए, उसके बाद वी विल टेक द डायलॉग फॉरवर्ड, बट वी नीड योर एक्टिव हेल्प. बट द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इज कि हमें IIT ISM का प्रोफाइल बनाना है. You know, our current QS ranking is 800 right now. And what we have decided is, that is our aim now, is we have to be among the top 200 by 2022. It's an uphill task. It requires the research profile to be improved. We are doing that. But you people are so talented. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? Today I received a very touching mail from a student. He says, सर यहाँ 6 सेमेस्टर की क्लास का क्या फायदा है? स्टूडेंट तो एग्जाम होने के एक वीक पहले ही पढ़ता है, तो बाकी समय का क्या फायदा है? That's very important. And you know, it is not only you. We did the same thing. If I say I used to study regularly, I am being a hypocrite. So, but as I told you in my first talk, your aspirations have to be different. हमारे यहाँ क्या था उस समय, एक या IIM में किसी तरह घुसना है, get into a multinational company or go to US. But things are very different. I mean, you can shake the world like a Musk or a Jobs. So now you have to start really thinking. Going to class is fine. आप गए, चलिए सुन लिया. उसके बाद क्या? आपने कभी सोचा है? I came to know about the labs. We have credits at 3/2, which means one lab in 2 weeks. As a student, I would be very happy. And as a student, I would be very happy during my student days. But think about it. Does that really help you? आप क्या करते हैं जब लैब नहीं करते हैं, लैब का समय रहता है? कुछ नहीं. फतरूगिरी वर्ड है ना? नहीं, मटियाना और फतरूगिरी तो ओके. तो अब ये समय आप कैसे यूज कीजिएगा? One is, somebody told me कि please call Sadhguru. He is very inspiring. But होता क्या है ना, this inspiration is very transient. हम लोग जब PhD कर रहे थे बर्कले में, तो Nobel laureates used to get, you know what used to get? They used to get a free parking lot. तो उसमें NL permit लिखा रहता था. When you go, you see an NL permit, you feel very inspired. 10 मिनट अपने बाद अपने लैब में जाते हो, वो सब भूल जाते हो. So the thing is, you have to motivate yourself continuously. What are the different ways? ये कितने लोग novels पढ़ते हैं? My God, just a handful. You know, I just finished a novel about Elon Musk by Ashley Vance. Beautiful novel. Please read novels of inspirational leaders. See their career path. वो देखिए इस मुकाम पे कैसे पहुंचे. अब एलॉन मस्क का भी देख रहे थे. He said he wanted to change the world. He said, I have to, only a green world can save humanity. So from the very beginning he was thinking about solar, he was thinking about electric cars. And then his idea was also, how do I make a difference? It was not money. हम लोग बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, जॉब में पैकेज, भले हमको फ्लिपकार्ट में मिला मैं चला जाऊंगा, बट you have to think long term. You have to think, as I said, you spend some time, understand what your passion is, understand what your life is. ये तब पता चलेगा जब आप पढ़ेंगे, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करेंगे. And it is very interesting if you go to, let's say, a site like DARPA, DARPA, It's a US Department of Defense Research Agency, and it's amazing to see the type of developments they do. एक बार, this is about the other places, MIT Media Labs. They had this wonderful system when you play music. Let's say in a party, somebody plays loud music. Some people want to talk. So they came up with a system where, let's say, 5 of us want to hear music. They would shine a laser light on us, and only we could hear music, nobody else could. Can you think of something like that? तो मेरा आपसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है, जब आपका फ्री समय रहता है, प्लीज रीड. You know about all icons. अब कैलाश सत्यार्थी का ही ले लीजिए. Read about Malala. See the courage she had to stand up to religious fanatics. आप Jobs का biography is superb, and you will also learn that everybody goes through a hard time. But what is important is how do you come out of it. So my request to you students is, don't waste your opportunity at IIT like we did during our student days. You are much better than all of us. Make it count. Thank you very much.